Guys, you hear me?
Whoops, my bad, guys. My bad.
Yo, what's up, guys? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yo,
What's happening?
how you doing, Jay?
Hey, hi guys.
Hi, Cheryl.
Hi. Okay, so I think let's start and then we'll with simultaneously. So everyone, I'm very excited to have the crypto market session with guest. And today we're thrilled to have our guest who will be sharing their opinion on market trend. So the host of the discussion will be leading a thought-provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit, relax, and join us for what is short and enlightening discussion on the next market performance and hotspots. The live session broadcasting on the live channel, Point WC channel simultaneously. So we're all to watch, and please be free to leave your opinions or about market coins in the comment, and our guests will definitely pick up to answer. So let's welcome Dylan, Jay, and Matt. You all straight, and we're very happy to have you here with us today. Let's go to the next part. Market review, beginner, user. This part will allow our guests to share our market insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto tokens you want to talk about. So please feel free to share your screen and let us watch your charts. Okay. So first,
I'll go. How's it?
you about single token to 49?
Yes, I was there. It was really
Perfect. So I think after part, Dylan, Jay, and Matt share, interesting token 41 to share to get to our.
okay. Awesome. We can definitely do that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's share into I want to speak about because I mean this has been crazy, right? I think everyone, we've seen a massive pump in most coins, and everything's up 20 to 40% on the week. There are some coins that are lagging a little bit, which is what I'll speak about. And the ones that are below like 20 to 40%, I think that they have some room to push. So I'll speak about those ones now. But first off, let's look at Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin right now? Because Bitcoin's at a critical level. like Bitcoin charger. Let me bring something up. My bad. Where's Bitcoin? Seems like much further. 1 second. So Bitcoin is this one. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we go. So Bitcoin right now, guys, we had a critical. Okay, everyone can probably agree. Bitcoin we need to break up over here, right? The 64,500 or 65,000. A whole bunch of liquidity sitting about over here. So technically, we need to actually see a candle close at all. See, right now we are being rejected, and we need to see a candle close above here. Otherwise, this could just get rejected. So it's looking quite good for right now. What I want to see for the next 4 hours, I want to see price this level. But the problem is now is that we do have some news coming out. I think it's like 15 minutes. So we did have a bit of fun games, didn't really do, but the Fed peaks at 5:20, and we all know when it happens, it's very, very volatile. Just watch out for that. That's in 15 minutes. So it's quite crazy to see what actually happens there. But overall, the market is looking quite good, guys. The market is looking good. I'll show you the positions that I'm in, and what we need to see for is you see a break of this. If we can see a break of this level, I think that this can work, right? So overall, looking good for Bitcoin. I think the problem is right now that everyone is really, and that is a but I think longs this profits and stuff like that is going to be the play, because I think there's going to be a mass shakeout eventually, and it's going to get absolutely destroyed. So watch out for that. I'm not too sure when that's going to happen, but it does look like Bitcoin could potentially take this liquidity within today. Bit of a topic. So what about that? We're going to see it come up, potentially come back down, and maybe do something like this, and then figure out which way it wants to go. Okay. So for now, the trades that I'm in are CHZ long. We had a massive daily breakout on CHZ. Okay, so this is why I took the this morning. It was actually the daily was flipping back, but yeah, I actually took on like the 30-minute candle breakout. The daily candle was, and actually did close this previous high round. So I think that CHZ had a lot of room to increase here. CHZ, it's a and basically hasn't really been doing much compared to other coins, and you can see right, it's starting to gain a lot of momentum. So this is the one I'm currently in right now. I actually take a long for XRP because also did actually break on the 1 hour time and literally just retested that level. It looks pretty deep. This is more like a help setup, so I won't be holding for too long, probably a couple hours or something like that. And another coin I'm looking at, guys, also buy this on W, and yeah, I like how this is actually holding of this level. So I don't know where my things went. It's quite sometimes it does, but essentially I bought this morning of Prime. I love the structure. You don't even have to know what coin is, but the structure of it looks really good for potential push up at like 10.6, and I'm expecting price to push up back to like these highs here. Something like this is a bit of support over there and potentially over here. So it looks really good. Potential move up, and yeah, because whenever price closes above the 200 moving average, which is this blue line over here, we normally quite a big move, right? And whenever we're below this, we do see that price does come down because we close above the blue line. We are getting nice push to the other. So I did actually buy this. I think it has room for, and also there was this breakout. This was the I was speaking about a couple of weeks ago. I didn't miss this. I didn't even see that. I wasn't really looking at it in my live stream. Asked to look at this coin, and yeah, decent, look really good. yeah, those are the setups that I'm currently. There's one more. Solana, we did a nice scalp trade today. It was a really short-term trade, literally couple minutes. It was basically just breakout on the lower time frames. But yeah, Solana can break this 153. I do think that we could see higher prices. We do have levels at 162. We need, of course, is obviously the next key level for. But yeah, overall, guys, I'm looking quite decent. One more trade at for there, actually big time. And the reason I'm looking at starting to look at a GameFi is there hasn't really been any move or any rotation to GameFi. Mainly just like real world assets, a bit of coins, and some AI, but it hasn't really done much. But I do think that we could potentially rotation into GameFi, potentially not that we will. But yeah, looking at a lot for big time, I just see if we can break this high. I've got an alert set here for big time. So if we can break 0.13 or 135, I'm looking to long time. So yeah, that's there's one more actually. I can't. Here we go. Bonk. Also long on Bonk. I took this long. I think it was yesterday. Matt actually and Boris. We I don't know why it's going. Yeah, okay. I won't talk about this one. But yeah, I am long. Oh, there we go. There we go. I took this long over on this breakout yesterday, and yeah, it did have quite a nasty bottom wick and flip bullish. But yeah, it looks decent. I'm gonna hold until this previous high. Obviously, look at the daily time. If Bonk can break out of this massive edge, this thing's gonna absolutely skyrocket. So potential for that. But I'm a little bit skeptical that I think for some coins looking good. Cardano as well. I'll jump. I feel like for quite a while, but yeah, Cardano looks really good. Also breaking on the daily time as well, looking like it wants to push a little bit higher. Right now, I'm quite bullish on mainly just altcoins, and the reason is we just pull up three quickly. Last things. I've spoken a bit too long here. Do apologize. Where's three? Total three. So total three basically shows you the market cap of all the altcoins except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it will show you pretty much just all the coins, right? And basically where my drawings are from. But we have a break here, yeah, and obviously we have this key level here, and we're looking like we want to break above it, right? So if this thing can go to the upside, I do think that we could potentially see these highs very shortly. But we obviously have to work with this. To be honest, it should be the weekly cap, right? If this, here we go, he has all the drawings and everything. So if this weekly candle closes below this level over here, the 6-8 level, which is the previous high, I would expect this to come down. So just be careful. So there's 3 more days of this. So we'll have to wait and see. Sunday night's going to be interesting. There's going to be volatility to see if we can close above this. Your overall market are decent. A lot of coins have been pumping. And that's what I've got, guys. Is
Awesome. Thank you very much, Dylan. Thank you a lot. So, let's have interesting during the period in 2009, and you think very, very, for users to, decide the futures, uh, the futures situation crypto.
yes, I'll pretty much the whole of Coindev is there. And yeah, I think normally these events, Token 2041 and other events, we normally see a big pump going into it and also a pump out of it because I think everyone's just so excited and all of that. But yeah, I think it's a good timing because obviously September historically bearish. I mean, and it's looking like we might close bullish. So I think the timing of this token was pretty good in terms of because I had it in before, I had it after like October or November. Then I maybe September could have been better. So I think the timing of it is really, really good. And yeah, I think overall, we met a lot of meme coin projects. But everyone's problem is right now, everyone's a little bit too bullish. I want to hear what Jay say about this, but yeah, I think overall it's going to be a crazy next 60. I think everyone's going to make a lot of money. So let's see what happens.
Okay, awesome, awesome.
Hi. Hi. Sorry, I got it. I got it. Yeah.
Just keep.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm also like kind of agree with like your call about like everything's so bull right now, and you you know I'm gonna straight this hold on. Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Let's start where I got so much, guys. I got so much like so from Bitcoin. Okay, start from Bitcoin dominant. Look at we are still on holiday and still above like MA. So this is like a bullish dominant for Bitcoin. So that's is not us. So if you guys need like 20 and 10% and palm bam bam bam. No bullish guys. Nah, sorry, it's not art season, but gonna lie, for them it's bullish, but you guys have to be careful, guys. Who's gonna be the other, so for scalp day trade, yeah, I'm gonna long. Oh, I mean for swing futures, I'm trying building the short. I got the confirmation. Yes, we are in the book. I'm not gonna lie. Short please. The best dividend, but right now we are on the bull fact. All right, we are on the bull fact. So the problem is in fact there is some tired on the every chart is always have it's like you're drinking or noodles, bread or something. They all got expired date, right? So let's say 3 days. So let's say for some chart, when you use a uh daily, so the chart is for both around 7 days. So it's equal a week. So that's why sometimes call it like in the week, like weekly high, weekly low, this week low, previous week high or something like that. So that's why like the most condition is on weekly. So that's why like all this, but it's been around flags around more than like this 7 days. So 7 days is a bear flag. Less than 7 days is immature. So maybe the bear flag is not. So it's image. Sorry. Right now immature. So that's why it's either have to break or stay longer. So when it's stay longer, the resistance is gonna be like longer. Start strong and for like yeah, I'm gonna give example link. It was from 2000 May. Look at this. That flag, capital, and look at when got when it longer the text cannot go down. Became strong. Was it became strong on the support. So we can call it like a major strong support. So that's if Bitcoin do that around this area. Sorry, which Bitcoin? Yeah, if we like stay longer, let's say like more than 7 days, for say 10 days, 15 days, or even like a month. It's kind of like a month. So I think like maybe if today, tomorrow we got like we get a result. I don't know. I'm trying to trial here, guys, because I got a perspective with like around this is hard to break, and this is why if you connect with, I'm gonna use the other one. This one, not chart. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Bitcoin. Give me a sec. Okay. Apologize. Where's the Bitcoin? Okay, let's go with this chart, and let's turn on the SMA 200. All right. Why the SMA 200? Why? Anyone knows? So because we have been inside here for over like 200 days. So look at this. Like, yeah, 197 days. So that's why like I'm using like 200 days. And the struggling right now is about 200. Okay. Look at this. The blue line. So we are kind of struggling, guys. If we can close above and confirm, and that's good for bulls. That's really good. But until then, this is the problem. The 200 days SMA, and everything is kind of like breaking. Like I'm not gonna let's start from stock. Yes, breaking, is that confirmed? Nah, because like we got high from this fake out. So how do we get the confirmation? So the fast and the slow have to be above 47. That's it. That's simple for stock. For the RSI, we are broke from this downtrend line, and same like RSI, we have to confirm cross 55 or we are stay above this trend line. So and that happened next week. Around Sunday UTC something, I don't know when it's market open on Sunday around your time zone, when this thing still. I'm gonna call it like I'm gonna be bullish, but if let's say if tomorrow or today like this thing, if next week like going back below 50, so we are in the net, this is gonna be a problem, guys. And there's one more thing. This is a delta volume. All right, this is a delta volume, and look at this. It getting squeezed. It's getting squeezed by squeeze. I'm gonna daily on the delta. Yeah. Oh, oh shit. Apologize. Oh. Nah, why is like this? Give me a sec. Okay. So look at this. It becomes squeeze, 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 squeeze. When this thing happen, something gonna pop up, either up or down. So I don't know. I'm trying to be neutral. So that's why I like, but deep down, I know, deep down, you guys know, like I'm still like, I'm still team what. I'm not gonna say, but I'm trying to be neutral because like from the fact of the chart, but it's kind of dangerous to play long because it's like everyone long, 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 long. It's like it's like a trap, guys. It's like a trap, and I'm gonna show you guys the liquidity and heat maps around let's say around 3 months. 3 months, 300 because we are in here around 200 days, so 3 months is equal to yeah. Look at this. We got above here, and how about the 6 month? Let's see on the 6 month. Okay, 6 month. All right. So this is determine like which area like we can go in this in the past 3 months. So 6 months is kind of far. So if you can break about this, 71 and 74 is the target. But if not, look at the lower. Excuse me. Sorry, I think I got too far. So 1 month. 7 days is it? 7 days is good because we can see like a weekly. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. If we can go above, so the lower is the option. If not, so we still got here. So that's it, guys. And one more thing. This is the liquidation level. So only have a little bit around until the most top is 65,900, and after that, the lower is a lot, guys. See, the lower is a lot. The lower is a lot. So let's say, the if can hold around this parallel around 60, above 60, all right, I'm gonna long. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna long. But if close below, I'm gonna show guys. But let's see. All right, guys. So let's stay neutral. But right now, I'm trying to trade the GDP because look at the GDP is out right now. So I'm shorting. I got Doge. I'm shorting Doge right now. Stop loss from here. So let's see. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. I got it.
Yeah, kind of complicated, right?
Yeah. It's kind of complicated,
But
but
you got it. You got what I mean, like.
yeah, I know what you mean because that's quite comprehensive actually. And thank you so much, Jay.
I got
And
a question. Did you see anyone like calling like bear on Twitter?
calling what?
Did you see on the X someone like calling for bear?
No, not yet.
Yes, dangerous.
Oh,
Okay, that dangerous. Okay, cool.
okay, ciao. Okay, cool. So I think Matt. Hi, Matt.
Hey, sharing my screen. Hey, can you guys see it?
Uh, yep. A lot
The
of
bulls.
booze.
There you go. I'm bullish, always bullish. No, all jokes aside, fully agree with your guys' analysis. But I am bullish. Fear and greed is only at 50. So that gives me a positive sign. I don't think anyone's bearish. People are bearish, but I'm pretty sure or got the feeling that everyone missed this move, packed their bags from 55K. So yeah, I'm bullish, but it's only confirmed, the break of structure, which we spoke about comprehensively here at like 65, 100. We need to break the structure and then get above it. So the two scenarios I'm seeing at the moment, just from being a bull, would be, we maybe get rejected here, maybe like a double top. So I see, on the high block liquidity, there's quite a big pool at 65.5. So, we may see Bitcoin sweep that liquidity, and then if Bitcoin can sweep the liquidity and come and close underneath, then I think that's going to be the sign to go short, and we'll take a little scalp. I think that 61,500 region has a good chance of being tested again as potential support. It was like resistance here, resistance, then a fake out. I mean, it's a key 50% level from the all-time high to the capitulation bottom over here at 49K. So I do think there's a chance that it gets tested from the upside, 61,500. I'm still in the long. I'm still in this long from 55.6. We got on the news the other day, and I haven't taken profits yet. And I think it's gonna align well. So I think the 50% will be there. I think we get a D-Day EMA, start come up there and holding as support. So I think it's a good region to be adding to Bitcoin. You could see a break hold and then, along the 65K region. That's for Bitcoin. I'm in the long and over here. And yeah, I am, yeah, I don't think anyone got into this. I think that people got in a few regions maybe, but nothing. Looking at Ethereum, it looks like it's formed a potential higher low, this W pattern, which is kind of, and it is kind of thing this 50-day May support. Obviously, yesterday it's been chopping around, but I'm expecting ETH the 2100 region, 850. Solana's broken out of the trend of it. I mean, I don't know, it's been here since these highs formed. Yeah, so this is kind of bullish. Solana needs above the 160, and so price come up like the retest, or seeing prices or reject and come down. But Dylan covered this total. This is in my mind why we've seen all the meme coins. So some pretty big moves from my favorite meme coins. That's what's pulling up total at the moment. So I have your Binance. This is interesting from Binance, BNB. So yeah, this trend line of it, which was hold as resistance, rejected multiple times, really broke through to retest it. I'm expecting a push higher for Binance. I'm adding this region here, long on Binance here as well. That trade is looking good. Sorry, these things pop up. A reason bullish is Nasdaq futures looking great daily. It's lagging the S&P futures. Lots of people at this when but I do. It does signal, potentially on or risk off. And this is both nothing bearish. The S&P at all-time high, and the Nasdaq following, and looks like the DXY is, getting affected from the zone. So we see crypto follow suit, but wait for the break structure at 65K. UDT is also playing this drawn out for a while. I just pulled it up today actually. If we see this play out, but we're not outwards. I'm going to be adding. I'm going to be going long 61.5. Going to be adding to my positions. But yeah, I have a few trades. I'm in pay along. Just front running breakout. Things look quite bullish, so I just hopped in a few trades. So this is looking quite well. We haven't hit T1 yet. T is going to be around. You can see there's read in the chart. I'm in a R long as well, also a front run. I just wait for it to load up. It's been taking a load. But basically, I was just fronting the breakout, this trend over here. And it happened on the day. I was a trade from Monday. We're in this IP trade, given a while ago. These are also trades, break structure is looking quite bullish. I think we got in around here. What else? Ondo, on Ondo. So now 30 loading. I got into on about 58, like around here. It's holding these trades now. They've all broken trend, so I'm expecting continuation on upwards, and Tron traders. I think the market bullish. I think if we can break 65K and close multiple candles up there, then I think it is good. But for now, we're still under the level and potentially forming a lower high. But I'm watching out for the sweep. If come up that 65 come back and underneath, then I opportunity for a hedged this, and then you can see how it's, but if it's at that 6,500, I think it would be a huge level. But I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a move down to 60, and I will be looking up on my favorite altcoins around then. But yeah, I'm not too worried at the moment for a huge move down. I think fear and greed at 50, because previously we would see runs. It's on the 3 months. We'd see those ups on Bitcoin. Like if we have to go here, price from like this read to here, and fear and greed was, it was up here already on like 85, 75, 85, and again here on like 65, 75. So I think grinding into zone and fear and greed at 60 is potentially a bullish sign. But yeah, so that's all I've got for the market for now.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you very much, Matt. Thank you for your sharing to us. I think what you share to us is very, reasonable, quite makes sense. And actually, we prepared some questions and also, contents. You guys just mentioned some questions or, recently the hot pots. So just let me share my screen and let's have some discussion here. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, perfect. So the first question is about Arthur Hayes delivered a public speech at the Token 2049 conferences. I don't know whether you guys listened this speech, and he suggested that the market might crash after the rate cut, but its rhythm could perform well. So for this question, do you guys agree with his viewpoints, and what are your thoughts on the future performance of ETH? Jay, what do you think?
Agree. 1,000% agree. I Lehman Brothers. I saw the crash from the red card. That's why like it never ever once like uh it pump and then like it still stay pump. No, it never. So that's why like I'm still like stay level-headed and everything still can happen. And for this kind of thing, because like it's still weak and maybe can pump a little bit, but I'm so agree with Arthur Hayes. He also like he's one of the OG from the BitMEX, you know. So yeah, that's good. How about you
Okay.
guys?
Yeah, I mean, I'm also like a little like obviously short term. Right now we're getting a push up, and a lot of charts are showing momentum, but I'm very like skeptical, which is why I'm mainly scalping, not really going to hold trades because I still think that it's I think it's quite obvious that we probably going to crash, because everything's like Jay was saying earlier, like when everyone's too bullish and no one's speaking about bearishness on Twitter or anything like that, there's going to be a massive shake. It's going to be no one's going to expect it, and it's going to be massive. So yeah, I think I do agree with that. I do also with Ethereum, like I do see right now Ethereum is performing way better than it's starting to come up. It's performing better than Bitcoin, obviously, because Bitcoin dominance is coming down. But yeah, I do agree with that.
So, Matt, what do you think?
Um, I can see why he might think that, and I mean, all scenarios are possible, of course. But I mean, as it stands, we haven't crashed yet, so we could crash. But yeah, it's been pretty bullish price action and whatnot since the rate cut. But as Jay said, this could be the potential local top. And ETH could perform well. I mean, if you look at market cycles, you know how it goes. Bitcoin pumps and then ETH pumps and then the altcoins pump. It could happen. However, if you look at the Ethereum chart, it doesn't suggest that it's going to be outperforming unless we see a big God candle like the ETF, news that we saw like on like the 20th of May. Yeah, but I mean, for now, we just have to take it as it is. In my opinion, Bitcoin's above all the key levels. I think 61,500 will hold as support. Well, it should, if we do see some downward prices. Fear and greed only being at 50, it's very neutral. Even though there's no bears, on Twitter and on socials and stuff, I think that if Bitcoin does come down to 60K, 55K, 50K, a lot of people are going to be buying. But I think that max pain could be a rip from right now to all-time high and leaving everyone behind. I think that is max pain. I know people still have their bags and this and that. A lot of people will be, aping in if we do see a huge pump. So I don't fully agree with what he has to say. He was also very bullish on like Aptos, and it's looking okay, even though he is a legendary investor, supposedly. But yeah, I can see why people would agree. But yeah, I'm not in full agreement with that.
Okay, got it. And I think I'm very quite agree with you guys' opinions here, and we really want to, even though we don't want to, we hate to see the crash of the market because we really want to this bull market come again. But if the market might crash, especially after the rate cut, we hope the Ethereum and also Bitcoin can really be really strong. And we can see Joseph, you back to us. So hi Joseph, do you wanna to share your screen and share some hotspots to us?
Yeah, thank you very much. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you? All right, I'm so sorry. I had some difficulties right here. Just trying to fix the challenge. Yeah, but I think I can go ahead and share my screen right away. Thank you so much. A lot of great speakings and valuable conversation going on. I think I've literally heard a lot today. I just have brief things to talk about. Okay, let me go to my screen right away. Okay. Yeah. All right. So basically, yeah, a lot of things have been happening in the market recently, and I can say that. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see it.
All right, let me try to load it up again. Let's see. So for Bitcoin, I think I've taken up some challenge the past few months and been trading along with my student. And there is one thing I can say for sure is that, when the market traded down to 49, I'd actually anticipated this rally up that we currently have going on. All right. Now, from what we can see right here, from my own standpoint of view, I had something like a flag there that's on the weekly and down to the daily time frame. Okay, and right on the spot, I actually anticipated this the crash that happened from the range of 9 down to 48 right here. All right, so let me use this to navigate. So after that, I saw some sort of accumulation around this level, which obviously broke down to what we have down to 53 zone. All right. So when market got to that place, I just knew that that had actually invalidated what was happening previous month before that time. All right. So we actually took our entry from this week that happened right here, and I think we've been on the buy for some couple of weeks now, all right? And the market has actually been giving some good higher highs. And right now, for me specifically, at this point, I'm anticipating market to break the 44 level, but I'm seeing some sort of rejection around that region. Okay, so I think personally, I close about 40% already in the market. But meanwhile, I'm hoping that the market might probably give a shot of reversal, but I don't think, oh, so sorry about that, sort of reversal, but I don't think it's something that will last longer, all right? Because from what I'm seeing now, the next thing we're going to have after, obviously, for the market to break the 64 level, all right? That's what I'm anticipating. But basically, yeah, for on the if you want to make some insightful decision, for me, I think I would want to short a little bit because from what we're seeing here, I don't think market might break up straight up from this level, right? Because right now it's literally ranging at resistance. Okay, it's literally ranging at resistance. So on the short for daily traders and short-term traders, I will look forward for short-term BTC at this level. Yeah, but if you just want to talk based on price action, you notice that that's resistance has been tested. That this is literally the third time. All right, so the next literal attempt should probably be you know re-breaking that level. All right, that's that. I think that another pair I looked at also is Solana. All right, of having network trading. Okay, let me take this out. All right, so this is Solana. Solana had actually played quite very interestingly around the level of 124, right? At this level. So literally gave me an uptrend, insightful move, which literally leveraged the opportunity at this level. That's at 128, 127, 128. So we had a bullish, literally almost everything, all major pairs in the market have been, bullish momentum. But at this point right now, I still anticipate that Solana will push to probably to 50, 163. All right. I'm probably hoping that the market will 163, then probably have some sort of reversal or consolidation. All right. Then that will probably incite the next thing we will have to do. All right. And the next where I was actually looking also is the turn. All right. Let me see if I can open the turn. Okay. Turn actually gave us some sort of liquidity grab right at this point. We have some pending liquidity at this level, all right, and which was taken out down to the 4.5 region, right? Now that initially activated a buy order, but personally I didn't take action on this trade. Giving some Solana, sorry, turn is literally ranging at the 5.7 region. For me, I would want to see exactly what will play out around that region before making any major decision in the market. Majorly, fundamentally speaking, a lot of activities have been happening. Talking 2049 down to a couple of activities also. We see that BlackRock making purchase of Bitcoin and Bitcoin moving from one wallet to another like that. For me, I think personally, a lot of activities has been pending and we have a lot of accumulation. So at this level, I'll be looking forward to probably do dollar cost averaging in terms of buying. But for markets falling below 50K, I don't probably see more tendencies of that. That's for BTC happening anytime soon. So I'm literally challenging in regards to my network. But I think there's a few points I would want to say regarding what I've been looking into in the market a couple of days now. Yeah, can you hear?
Yeah, we can.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your sharing to us, Joseph.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay, and so this is about the BNB. So in the recent rebound, we've seen BNB show significant strength and is currently not far from its all-time high. So what are your thoughts on trading BNB at the moment? And especially we all know the founder of Binance will, come to us very soon. So basically, upon the the situation, what do you guys think BNB what the the future performance of BNB you will perceive it?
I can go first. I
Yeah.
showed that chart earlier, BNB on the daily with the multiple rejections of that downsloping resistance, and it just broke through and retested. I think BNB is bullish. It's been one of the strongest coins in the cycle. It's I think one of the only ones to actually create an all-time high instead of a cycle high. A lot of the coins, the altcoins at the moment, their cycle high is not an all-time high, where Bitcoin's is, and Binance's is as well. So I'm bullish on BNB. That is a bullish sign. And I think with CZ coming out of prison as well, it could create a bit of hype. But yeah, I think definitely more bullish than bearish. I think there are way more charts that are looking worse than Binance.
Yeah, that's right. That's correct. Thanks, Matt. Dylan, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the chart, looks really good. I think if you're holding BNB for long term, I think it's a good investment. I do think that'll in the bull cycle would most probably definitely tap that $1,000 mark. And how Matt was saying earlier, yeah, it looks bullish on the daily. But yeah, in terms of I do think it could potentially get rejected from the all-time high. So I do think that it can tap that within the next couple of weeks. But I do think that it will probably get rejected from there before we see a move up. But overall, it looks quite bullish compared to most other coins. But yeah, right now I don't know. I'm just a little bit skeptical I'm a bit neutral right now. So like I'm gonna be longing until yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'll be holding my longs for too much longer, depending on what I see in the market. But yeah, I think everything's bullish on the short term right now. But yeah, I think
Yeah.
BNB is a good one to hold for the bull run.
Yeah, that's right. I think in the bull market, in the bull run, the BNB is very, very stable, but still not very stable as Ethereum or Bitcoin, but it's very bullish recently, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I see. Thanks, Dylan. And Jay, what do you think?
I'm agree with you guys. Actually, the chart looks so bullish, but I always have some twist, and the twist is so many shit coin and born from free CZ and then like free Ford and some shit. I mean, like it would be nice is buy the rumor and sell this event. But on BNB. Look bullish. I'm not gonna lie, look bullish on the daily. The technical is look bullish, but going back to Bitcoin, if shit happen to Bitcoin, everything gonna be does easily pan. But right now, if you ask me like on the daily, it's so bullish. But have to be careful, guys. So many shit coin board during the CC release, so that would be nice if can be like pump and dump, faster. Yeah.
Yeah, I see, I see. So do you think after, CZ get out, will BNB bullish?
It depends. Back to Bitcoin. It depends. Back to Bitcoin dominance. Back to BTC chart. So the problem is pumping. No, I mean like if USDT dominance and then Bitcoin dominance is pumping, and then like it BTC is dumping. So that's gonna be a problem, guys. So that's why like I stay neutral. Same like Dylan. That's why like just wait.
You state the opposite opinion. Hmm? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm not too sure what's happening.
I can
Okay,
hear you now.
Okay, perfect. So I think Joseph's internet is not very stable. So let's go to the really interesting part, which is the token 2049. So we know some of our guests participate in the token 2049 conferences. So do any of you have insights or new perspectives on the industry's development that you like to share with our audience here? Like anything, literally and anything you want to share. It's okay.
I'm gonna share something with you guys, if you guys mind. I met a lot of people there, right? And every time I met a lot of people there, I always ask one thing. Hey, dude, do you think we got a volume right now? Do you know what they all told me, right? They all told me like, nah, we don't have. You name it. Project developer, market maker, and then like I even met I accidentally met my friend from Shanghai. He's a meme coin market maker. He's like the one that sometimes doing like the pump and dump and shit. So I asked him, do shit coin on Solana got some followers and something like that? He's like, nah, everything is so dry. So yeah, that's the only question like I ask everyone. I don't ask like which coin you buy, which gonna perform, are we gonna pump? I'm just ask one thing: do we have a volume? And they all say, nah, we all dry. Even the hedge fund, I met I met some hedge fund. Even like I met Cheryl, right? And I talked to the Chain GPT guy, the sponsor of the that
Mhm.
that company. So I met the Chain GPT. So that's the ticker is CGPT, and asked that dude, hey dude, do you got the volume inside the token? He also say, it's kind of dry actually, but I mean like, but he's the way he's saying like kind of like polite and not trying to say it's dry, but my perspective is everything is dry. So that's all I guess. We don't have volume anything. We don't have retail, and you know what what does mean, right? Yeah, that's it.
Agree with you. Totally agree with you. That's what I feel, to be honest, that this for this conference. Dylan, what do you think? Do you have some sharing want to tell us? Also, I wanted to ask, no one talked about Solana this time. We all know Solana holds a really great, and some people even say the Solana the brink point or breakout. The conference is bigger and nicer.
Was
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what Did you guys go to the breakout event or no?
I supposed to go. I got invited, but I can't. I was too busy. Like, I think it was like Monday or Tuesday. Which the event is so nice. I saw the picture from my friend, and but I
Yeah.
can't. How about you guys?
No, I didn't go to that. I went to a lot of like side events with like projects and different things like that. But yeah, I don't know. Didn't really go to that one. Matt, did you go?
No, I didn't go.
Are you guys still in Singapore, Dylan and Matt? Oh, you guys
I
coming
got
back?
I got back on Tuesday.
Oh, so this Tuesday.
Yeah,
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
I'll go back on
yeah, two
Sunday.
days ago.
So you guys watched F1, right?
I watched F1. Yeah.
Nice, awesome, guys.
Uh,
Oh, it was good. It was good. Next time we must meet up, Jay. It'd be great to meet you. I didn't
Yeah,
know
yeah,
that you're
yeah,
going
yeah.
to Token.
Yeah, the next Coin W event, like I'm gonna come to you guys. No worry, I'm gonna meet you
Awesome.
guys.
It'll be cool to meet you.
F1. Wow, Norris won, right? Norris, that guy.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I'm very jealous you wanted to see the live. The question I wanted to really ask you guys is the Solana things. Like they have a so great conference, to be honest, and they have some new narratives, I think, compared to others. And so what do you think about the altcoins of Solana? Do you think we're bullish or just not?
I think
Yeah,
I think it's going more into like TRX and like I think TRX it's gonna take over in this. I think Solana's gonna be do really well. Like it'll probably hit $500, and like the altcoins, like the meme coin on Solana will do decent. But I think there might be a rotation. I'm not too sure on that, but it's just like my personal opinion. I think Jay will have a lot more opinion on that because he's probably seen it before. But yeah, I don't know. I think Solana it's a little bit dry like right now, and I don't know if it's going to come back as strong as what it's used to.
Okay. Thanks, Dylan. Jay, what do you think?
yeah, I'm kind of agree with Dylan. Solana is kind of dry actually. Like even the meme coin. That's why I told you guys. Like I met my one of my buddy from Shanghai, right, in Singapore, and he's one of the shitcoin market maker on Solana chain and Ton and TRX, and then like Solana is so dry and some shit. That's why like I talked to the guy, and even like I'm not playing like meme coin or some shit. So that's why like if the narrative good, but if you don't have some volume, then everything gonna be not gonna work. But right now I think I also agree with that. TRX is quite kind of strong. TRX and Sui right now because Sui is launching the it's some kind of a game pad or something like that. I tried to bought it, but it got rejected. Like it was like I think it's like around $500 or something. So I'm more bullish on Sui actually. I'm more bullish on Sui rather than Solana.
Okay, I see, I see. Wow, your friends is a market maker of shitcoin?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
I met at that night. I was shocked, like, what? You're here? I mean, like, yeah, I'm here. And then like I was shocked, and then like so that's why like guys, everyone I met, no volume. That's why like I'm kind of a bit concerned the market right now, but everything look bullish, but just be careful, guys.
Okay, Jay, I'm the holder of shitcoin, so
Oh, really? From what? Solana? Orton?
no, the shitcoin.
Yeah, yeah.
Shit.
From which chain?
Oh,
Which chain?
oh, Solana.
Solana. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. So Matt, what do you think?
Uh, yeah, I think there's better looking charts. I mean, the charts don't lie. I think I agree with Jay and Sui. Sui's looking good. Yeah, I managed to get into Sui under $1, so we're looking good on that. But yeah, I agree. I think the Solana hype is done. I think, everyone just got destroyed with the meme coins. I think a lot of trust has been broken. But I mean, WIF is up 10% today. So I mean, like, I think shit coins will still be around. But yeah, I do think there are better blockchains. But we'll have to see. The hype is always not always obvious. But yeah, I think Solana's still gonna pump. I think it's still a good chain. But yeah, the likes of Sui does look better, and yeah, the chart doesn't lie.
Okay, got it. Thank you again. So let me see whether Joseph still here. Oh no. Okay, so Dylan, Jay, and Matt wanted to add something more here, like wanted to share more interesting things to us.
I'm
No,
good.
thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. So I think our today's discussion is going to finish. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you, Jay, Dylan, and Matt, and also Joseph. And today's live stream is very interesting and I think very important, especially we just met the rate cut. So please everyone be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and our esteemed guests, Jay, Matt, and Dina. Follow their Twitter account as they will continue to share valuable insights on the world of crypto. And please, our audience is here. Stay safe and take care about your spot. Good luck. So overall, I'd like to thank you everyone for joining this inspiring discussion today. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, Jay, Dylan, and Matt. Bye
Thanks,
bye.
Goodbye.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers. Cheers, Jay. Cheers,
Thanks,
Cheryl.
guys.
Cheers,
Cheers,
cheers.
bye.